Did you know that 87% of professionals believe that improving their organizational skills could significantly enhance their productivity? In today's video, I will share with you 7 organizational tips that will double your productivity. Whether you are struggling to manage time effectively, keep track of tasks, or find time to be creative, these tips are going to be game changers. So grab a pen and paper because at the end of this video, you will be equipped with practical strategies to supercharge your organizational skills. Let's get started. First is to prioritize using the Eisenhower matrix. Named after US President Eisenhower, this matrix categorizes tasks into 4 quadrants based on their urgency and importance. By identifying which tasks are important and need immediate attention, you can make better decisions about where to focus your energy. The first quadrant is urgent and important quadrant. Tasks that demand immediate attention and are crucial for your goals fall into this category. Now, these tasks are often associated with deadlines, emergencies, or critical projects. So prioritize these tasks and address them proactively. Quadrant 2 is important but not urgent. Now, this quadrant houses tasks that contribute to your long-term goals and overall success. These tasks are important, but they do not require immediate action. Examples include strategic planning, skill development, relationship building, personal growth, and other activities. By dedicating time to quadrant 2 tasks, you prevent them from becoming urgent in future. Create a schedule to address these tasks and invest in your success. Quadrant 3, urgent but not important. Tasks that fall into quadrant 3 are often distractions and interruptions that are urgent but do not align with your goals. These tasks can consume valuable time and energy if not managed properly. So consider delegating these tasks to someone else or minimizing their impact on your schedule. Quadrant 4 is not urgent and not important tasks, which means that they are in the eliminate list. Quadrant 4 contains tasks that are neither add value or require immediate attention. These tasks, I consider them to be time wasters that can eat up your productive time. Whenever possible, eliminate and delegate these tasks. By freeing up time from quadrant 4, you can actually create space to concentrate on the tasks that truly matter. By using this matrix, you can assess tasks objectively and make informed decisions. By consciously focusing on quadrants 1 and 2, you can become more strategic in managing your time and achieving your goals. Implementing this matrix is a powerful step towards enhancing your organizational skills and overall productivity. Cluttered environment can lead to stress and reduced focus. Start with decluttering both your physical and digital spaces. Organize your desk, clear away unnecessary items, and create a system for keeping things tidy. Similarly, your digital space can benefit from thorough decluttering as well. Sort through your files, emails, and apps, unsubscribe from irrelevant email lists, organize your folders, and delete the files that you no longer need. Remember, a clutter-free environment can do wonders for your mental clarity and efficiency. I go through this process every quarter where I look at all the apps that I have installed on my cell phone, delete the ones that I no longer need. Same with my laptop, just going through my Mac and reducing clutter on the desktop as well as within the folders. Time blocking is a technique that many successful individuals use to enhance their organizational skills. This strategy involves scheduling specific blocks of time for different tasks and activities. It helps you maintain focus and avoid the trap of multitasking. Allocate time for professional tasks, personal activities, break, and even relaxation. Make sure to include buffer time for unexpected interruptions. By dedicating focused time to each task, you will find yourself completing tasks more efficiently and feeling more accomplished and successful. In today's digital age, task management tools have become an essential part of keeping track of our everyday to-dos. There are various options available such as to-do list, Trello, and Asana. These tools allow you to create task lists, set deadlines, and collaborate with others. I use Asana extensively. Choose the tool that aligns with your preference and your needs. The ability to access your tasks from multiple devices ensures that you stay organized on the go. Just remember, tool is only as effective as your commitment to using it consistently. How you start your day can greatly influence your overall productivity. Creating a morning routine can set a positive tone for rest of your day. Start by waking up at a consistent time and incorporating activities that energize and prepare you for a long day. Whether it's exercise, meditation, journaling, or a hearty breakfast, these routines can help you start your day with intention. A well structured morning can help you tackle tasks with ease, more focus, and determination, ultimately boosting your organizational skills. The 2-minute rule is a simple yet powerful concept that helps you deal with small tasks immediately. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it right away. This prevents small tasks from piling up and becoming overwhelming. Responding to emails, putting away dishes, or sending a quick message, these tasks might seem trivial, but tackling them promptly can prevent them from adding up and stealing your mental bandwidth. So embrace the 2-minute rule and watch your productivity soar. Seventh is regular reflection and review. Regular reflection and review are essential to maintaining and improving your organizational skills. Set aside time at the end of each day or week to evaluate your progress. What tasks did you complete? What challenges did you face? And how you could improve. This is also an opportunity to shift things around in your schedule or look at your schedule differently or even tool set differently to identify what works for you and what doesn't work for you. Remember, you're coming up with a pattern over here, a system that would work for you. And if things don't work, this is an opportunity to change those things. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to improve your organizational skills. By implementing these strategies, you'll find yourself better equipped to manage your time, tasks, and environment. Remember, organization is not about perfection. It's about finding systems that work for you and support your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tips to enhance your personal and professional productivity. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Have a successful week. Bye-bye.